Did you know that some houseplants can survive in almost complete darkness for weeks, even months? While most houseplants crave sunlight, a few have evolved to thrive in the dimmest corners of your home. Whether you have a windowless office or a shadowy hallway, these plants will stick around, no sun required. The Chinese evergreen is an easy care plant that can survive in low light for months. It's a perfect choice for dimly lit rooms. Just be sure to let the soil dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. Snake plants are famous for their air purifying abilities and can go weeks without light. They slow down their growth in darkness using stored energy to survive. Just water sparingly and they'll continue to thrive. Peace lilies bring beauty to dark spaces with their elegant white flowers. They can adapt to low light for up to 6 weeks, but prefer warmth and humidity to stay happy. Just keep them out of reach of pets due to their mild toxicity. Pothos is one of the easiest plants to grow and will tolerate very low light. It's often found thriving in dark corners, making it a great choice for bathrooms or office spaces with little sunlight. The ZZ plant is a slow grower that can handle extremely low light. Thanks to its water-storing stems, it can go weeks without watering, making it one of the most low-maintenance plants on the list. Lucky bamboo can survive in water and extremely low light conditions for months. But for long-term health, occasional exposure to indirect sunlight will help it grow strong. The rubber plant may grow into a towering tree in the wild, but indoors it can adapt to dark environments. Keep it in a warm space with moderate humidity and it will continue to thrive. Spider plants are not just great air purifiers, they're also low-light champions. They don't need much light to survive and will even produce baby plants in dim conditions. The dragon tree adds height and structure to dark rooms. It can withstand up to 8 weeks without bright light and will need occasional misting to maintain humidity. American evergreen is a tropical plant that surprisingly thrives in low light. As it matures, it develops a vine-like growth habit. To keep it lush, mist it regularly and pair it with other plants to boost humidity. The cast iron plant lives up to its name. It's nearly indestructible. This hardy houseplant can survive dim conditions for years, making it ideal for forgetful plant parents or spaces with little natural light. No sunlight? No problem. These houseplants are proof that greenery can survive even in the darkest corners of your home. If you found this list helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more plant tips.